Hey you guys, I'm CreativeSarah here, and today I'm going to show you how to redo a reusable surface. This is one of our Chalk Couture spinner frames, and it's super cute with the kitchen closed and the kitchen open. Actually, kitchen open and then kitchen closed. So it's really cute. I even have a little bit of decoration on here, a little embellishment, and I'm thinking, what is the easiest way to redo this where I don't even have to change my embellishments, but yet it'll go forward into fall? I got an idea. So all we have to do is clean this off. And what I do, some people, I don't necessarily have the best luck, but some people will go ahead, oh look at that. You can just kind of use our paste scraper. This is like a couple bucks in my online shop. I'll go ahead and add it into the supply list. So the link in this video, in the description, will have the paste scraper on there. So you can scrape that off. Something that is even quicker, I'm just going to go ahead and spritz it with water, and then we'll take one of our board erasers. I should have wiped that off first, and just wipe it off. It's much easier than scraping it dry, but some people do scrape it dry. Okay, so then we're just going to flip that over, spray a little bit of water on there, and use my board eraser to clean it. Now that it's clean, I'm just going to share with you our transfer. This one is called Framed Autumn Vibes, okay? There's a cool Halloween, says Happy Halloween, winter vibes, hello fall, and welcome. So I'm going to use Halloween and fall because I want this to transition from fall, and then we can flip for Halloween, and we can kind of flip back after Halloween to the fall through Thanksgiving. So easy peasy. And then I can change it for winter and Christmas, and then we'll get another 4 months out of it. I love these transfers that are so awesome because they will carry through for months and months and months of decor. And you're changing it up just by flipping that little sign around. And then probably around Thanksgiving time, I will take the sign, change it out to Christmas, and then flip it for winter, because after Christmas I just like to put up winter decor. So we're going to do Halloween and fall. We're going to leave the neutral down there now. So we'll do Halloween, super easy. So for Halloween, I'm just gonna peel this transfer. Now, this surface is so cool because it's actually one of our boutique surfaces. You don't have to wax, you don't have to fuzz. You just place this down, centered, of course. Going to try to get it as centered as I can. That looks really good. And I'm just gonna take my simple black velvet. I'm gonna have to get in here. I'm almost out. I'm gonna have to get in here with my stir stick and just use that to get some of the paste onto the transfer. There we go. And we're just covering all the silk screen areas. Super easy. There we go. Now the rest, we'll go ahead and put it right back into the container. And let's peel this up. It looks so good. Love it. Perfect, right? Now, this is the front of my board where you can see this really nicely. This sticks out. So I'm gonna flip it this way, which means this is gonna be the right side and this is gonna be the upside down side, because when you're doing your board, you don't wanna have to turn it around every time, especially if you put a little embellishment on there on the front. You can turn it around, but it's meant to be flipped. So now I have my new side, which we're gonna do our fall. Hello fall. Now, the perfect fall color right now is our amazing, wait for it, nominee color of the month. So I'm going to, well, first I'm going to do my best to center this. Got a little bit of bubbles in there. I'm going to get those out. Okay, so now we bring in our nominee, and if you wanted to add any other, this would be a gorgeous like hot mess design. So you could put different colors, like you could do some oranges and yellows and browns and golds all on here, maybe some greens. But you know me, we're gonna keep it simple. So I'm just gonna scoop up a little of my beautiful nominee and do the whole thing. And this is gonna coordinate perfectly with the little embellishment that I have on here, because gold and black and white are stunning together. Super easy, you guys. I am showing you some real true, you know, busy mom hacks for your life, but you'll be able to have a super gorgeously decorated home and stay on trend. All right, looks good. Oh, smooth as butter that is. Be still my heart, it's so gorgeous. I'll hold that up for you in just a second and get this washed. While I dry this completely, I just want to let you know that you can comment the word VIP if you're new in the comments, and I'll send you a quick welcome message with a link to join my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. I have one quick idea. I'm going to grab a little bit of this gold, tie it into that. As usual, just took a strip. Here we go. All right, so I pulled it through, and I'm just going to tie a little knot so that there's just a little bit of gold right there. Isn't that beautiful? And then happy Halloween. So cute. All right, you guys. If you are new and you're just checking out my page, go ahead and comment VIP. I'll send you a welcome message and a link that you can join my free crafting group and get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. If you haven't joined our club yet, go ahead and type club in the comments. I will send you a link with all the information you need to know. It is the best club in town. It's an awesome kit of the month, every month for $21.99, and it's free shipping. And finally, if you would like to be a designer like me, earn a little extra money, save some money on your supplies, go ahead and type team in the comments, TEAM. Join the #1 team in the company right here. I'll be your sponsor. Go ahead and type team, and I'll send you some information on that as well. Other than that, you guys have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. Remember, you can get all the supplies right in the link in the description of the video where it says Project Supplies.